Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to unlock the power of SQL COUNT statement, a tool every data enthusiast must know. Whether you're starting with SQL or leveling up, this tutorial will help you understand how to count record, values, and more in your database. Let's dive in. First, let's create a table called sales data. This table will contain details about our sales transaction. Watch closely. So let's go to our Visual Studio. Let me copy my query for the table. So let me go to, let me paste it. So let's create our table. Execute. We have successfully create our sales data table. This table is simple but powerful. It tracks transactions, customers, product, quantity, and date. Next, we'll populate our table with some sample data. This will help us demonstrate the count statement effectively. Let me copy my query that I've written from my Visual Studio. Copy and go to my Microsoft SQL and paste it. So let me run this query to populate our table we just created. So execute. So we've created our table. We've populated our table. So for we to see the content, the raw content of our table, so type select all from sales data. Now we have a data set with multiple transactions, some customers buying more than once, and varying product quantity. So next, we're going to use the count statement. Let's dive into the count statement. This powerful SQL function is used to count rows, value, or unique record in a data set. So select count, close and open bracket asterisk, as total transaction. Total transaction from sales data. So let's count, execute, and you can see that the total number of rows in our table is 7. This query counts every single transaction in the sales data table, helping you understand the size of your data set. Let me just comment on it. Count all rows in the table. So the next query that we're going to write is going to count non-null value in a column. So let me comment on it. It will count non-null values in a column. So for it to count non-null value, so type select count. I'm going to count the product name as product sold from sales data. Let's run our query. So you can see that the product names is 7. Here we count all products sold, excluding any transaction where the product names might be missing. Thankfully, our data is clean. So let's count rows with a condition. Count rows with a condition. So for we to count transaction for a specific customer, you're going to use select. You can type it in capital or small letter, but I prefer using small letter to make my typing easy. All from, let me use alias transaction by Alice from sales data where customer name is Alice. So let's execute our query. This query shows how many transactions Alice made It is perfect for customer level insights. If you check out the full table, let's check out the full let's check out the full table. Select all from sales data. If you check how many transactions Alice made, you can see in customer name, Alice made one transaction of one laptop. He made another transaction of one laptop, and he made another transaction of one smartphone. That's why when we select count as transaction by Alice from sales, where customer name is equals to Alice, you'll see that we got three. So if we execute them together, let's see. You can see that we got three, and which is 1, 2, 3. The next exercise is to count distinct products. Count distinct products. So we are going to count the distinct products sold. So select count distinct. We're going to calculate the product name. We're going to calculate this. We're going to use this product name. Let me just follow Cut C as you're going to name it unique products from sales data. From sales data, semicolon. So let's count our unique products. So the unique products we'll have is 3. So let me add the select all from sales data, and let's count the unique products together. So you can see when we count on product name, we can see there is only 3 products that are being sold that is available in this data set. So if you check, we only have laptop, smartphone, and tablets. So that's the unique product, and that's why it gave us 3 unique products. The next exercise is we are going to count transaction by date. So let me comment count transactions by date. So we'll count transaction on a specific date. So we are going to select count bracket all from count all as let's use transaction on December 1, transaction on December text 1 from sales data, where sales date is equals to 24/12/1. Sale date, not sales date. So let's run our query, and you can see that in the transaction by date on the first, it's only one date. So let me copy this one. Let's copy and see. Let me execute it. On the first is only one person that bought a product. Want to know how busy a particular day was? This query counts all transactions on December 1st, 2024. And there you have it, the count statement made simple. With just one SQL function, you can extract powerful insight from your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more SQL and data engineering content, and leave a comment with your SQL question or challenges. See you in the next video. I'll be making subsequent video about SQL. After that, I'll be building project using modern data engineering technology. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.